I don't know. Oh, they got a Taj Mahal right there. That's where Chris is staying. For $5 a night. Must be nice. Why? Let me tell you something. Once you go to Hawaii, you'll never want to get in this water again. Look at all those birds. You going to Hawaii with us next year? Atlantic City, New Jersey. Look at the ocean. Our ocean don't look, outside of the ocean don't look nothing like Hawaii's, do it? What you ducking for? What are you ducking for? Look. I'm making a video. If I get pooped on, I'm going back to Philadelphia. I'm going straight back to the car and I'm driving all the way back to Philadelphia. And who said that bird and man can't coexist?
We going upstairs in the morning?
You ain't tired of shopping?
I thought it was another store.
I'm gonna put my $20 in the slot machine and get it over with. We should have went to Lexington Market and bought some peanuts and brought them up here so we can play with the birds. Oh. What are they talking about? Translate. What them birds talking about?
You tell me. They're talking about get your behind inside so we can harass the rest of these people.
So we don't get pooped on?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
If I get pooped on,
we're gonna follow you.
I'm gonna be depressed for the rest of the day.
We're gonna follow you. Shoo the birds away so we can get in. Look. What are you running for?